As a man, I never want to see these 6 things on you. I never want to see these 6 things on you. See, they will bring you down. They'll make you less stylish. For example, a wrinkled shirt. Yo, I don't care what you're wearing. I don't care if it's designer, if it's $500, or if it's $20 from H&M. A wrinkled shirt looks lazy. It looks sloppy. It looks like you don't even care about your personal image. You know how much an iron is? It's like 30 bucks on Amazon, bro. And it takes you 5 minutes in the morning to iron that thing out. A crispy shirt, even an affordable one, will always look more luxurious. It'll make you look put together. You look like the man. Number 2, frames that are too small for you. I can't tell you how many times I'm rocking down the city and I'll see dudes with frames, and just because they're in style but they got a big ass head, yo, it's not working. You gotta understand, for frames to fit your face, they have to be as wide as your face. And by the way, your boy has a big head too, so no offense, but I gotta always be on the lookout. It's so bad that even Jade Black, my head's so big, bro, where as Jade Black, I don't design frames for my head size because it's so big. So when you guys, the average population buys, it's gonna be too big on your face. So I design frames for the average size, and not including myself, meaning I have to work and either design custom frames for myself or find frames that are wide enough for my head so I don't look ridiculous. And that's what I try to do with Jade Black. Look, you go to Jade Black right now, actually, we hooked it up. We've had this for a while, but most people don't know. If you guys click the link down below, there's gonna be a quiz section. Go to the quiz, answer 4 questions. They're simple questions, just have to answer them quickly, and our algorithm will take your inputs, and then based on our selection, will show you the best glasses for your face shape. So that way, you look as attractive as possible. But here's the cool part. So we dropped a new product. Tell me how cool this is. It's an organizer, a glass organizer. Tell me that doesn't look sick, bro. It's made out of leather because I have so many glasses, I didn't know what to do with them. So not only can you keep them organized and protected in your wardrobe or in your closet, but you can also travel with them. And the cool part is it sits up to 6 glasses. So I wanna hook it up today. If you guys click the link down below, take the quiz, look at all the glasses that fit your face best, and buy 6 pairs of glasses. Listen to this. Deal of a lifetime. I'm gonna give you 2 glasses for free, boom, off the chart, so you're really only paying for 4. And then I'm gonna give you the organizer for free. You're basically only paying for like 2.5 glasses and getting an organizer and 6 frames. Yo, deal of a lifetime. You basically will have frames for the rest of the year and a frame for every single day of the week. And if I were you, listen to this. You want to bless somebody's life this Christmas? You want to give them a gift where they think, yo, you just spent $600 on me. Actually, shoot, it's about $600 of value. But you're only paying for like 2.5 glasses. Like, yo, that's crazy. You want them to think that? I would buy this for Christmas, bro. Buy it for your dad. Buy it for your mom. Buy it for your girlfriend, bro. She's going to think, yo, this guy has money back. Buy it for your brother. Buy it for your cousin. You can buy this entire set and give somebody 6 pairs of glasses like that with an organizer. Or you buy 1 and give 1 to each. I don't care what you want to do, but this is the deal of a lifetime. It's only going to last the next 24 hours. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. Number 3, flip-flops, because I don't want to see your toes. And nor do girls. I don't know why guys like to show off their toes, but bro, there are so many great options. You got the clogs. You got Birkenstocks. There's so many great options for men that are sturdier. Flip-flops. Those rubber little straps look so cheap. It doesn't matter what you're wearing. You instantly cheapen your look once you wear flip-flops. And I'm going to be honest, you shouldn't even wear flip-flops at the beach or the pool. They look cheap, bro. You can buy yourself quality sandals that will cost you $20 that are sturdier than a pair of flip-flops. Before, massive logos on clothing. Because it looks like you're overcompensating. Because let's be real, there's no reason why a Ralph Lauren logo has to be a quarter of your chest. There's no reason why you need Gucci across your chest. It seems like you're overcompensating. Anytime you're buying something that's larger than life, people will think this guy's overcompensating, right? They'll know your bank account doesn't match. You probably spent your last paycheck on that one t-shirt, and that's not the energy you need, right? If you want to look good, don't think you're going to do it by big logos. You're just going to look like a walking billboard, and everyone knows you're overcompensating. And it's funny because if you look at every rich guy, you'll see people say, well, look at Mark Zuck, or look at this guy. They wear your basic tees. The funny part with that is that, yes, they wear basic tees, but they're not Hanes tees. Most of these guys are using Brunello. They're using Loro Piana. These are high-end Italian brands where one t-shirt can cost you $700, $1,000. A sweater can cost you $4,000. It has no branding because the ultra-rich do not need to brand, right? And that's why I always talk about, yo, no branding's the best. No branding, you don't know. This could be a $300 sweater for all you know. Number 5, skinny jeans. I don't think I need to explain it anymore, but they need to die. They need to die. They should not be in your wardrobe. I got rid of all my skinny jeans probably 2 years ago now, and it's been the best decision of my life. I can't see myself ever going back. I think I don't even know how I did it, and I did do it, by the way, but I don't know how I did it. It's ultra uncomfortable. Go for a nice straight cut. You don't even have to go loose cut. A nice classic straight cut, you'll never go back. Finally, number 6, long line tees. These had their 2 years of fame. I'm glad they're gone, but somehow there's still all these fitness brands and ASOS and H&M, they're still pumping them out. I just hope you never buy them. Don't buy them because it distorts your appearance, right? It makes your torso look unnecessarily long and your legs look super short, which makes you look goofy, bro.